Hi, I'm Sandy Simpson, the Instructional Technologist for Latexo ISD, and this is our technology plan for 2012 to 2015. Let's start with an overview. We believe that technology is essential in our journey to offer experiences and skills that will provide lifelong learning for all of our students. This plan reflects the realities of the new digital era, where students are not just consumers of knowledge, but creators of knowledge as well. And the technologies that make this new digital world possible are viewed as opportunities and tools that can help in educating and socializing the youth both in and outside of school. All students and employees of the district will benefit from this plan. The purpose of this plan is to articulate a common vision for technology in the district, to identify the strategies to improve the academic achievement and technology literacy of all students, to develop rigorous curriculum standards and critical thinking skills so that the students are equipped to be competent lifelong learners and well prepared for further formal education and workplace success. We also want to build the capacity of all teachers to integrate technology effectively into the curriculum and instruction. Some parameters for this technology plan. This plan is driven by the state curriculum standards and supports the educational mission and instructional goals of Latexo ISD and by the No Child Left Behind Act of 2001. Specific attention is given to addressing student standards for technology as defined by the Technology Applications Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, or TEKS, required in the Texas Education Code, Section 28.002. The goal of the Technology Application TEKS, found in 19 TAC Chapter 126, is for students to gain technology-based knowledge and skills and to apply them to all curriculum areas at all grade levels. The plan also stresses the importance of ongoing and sustained staff development and the integration of technology into the curriculum for teachers, principals, administrators, and school library media personnel to further the effective use of technology in the classroom and library media center. It is also consistent with the recommendations by the National Education Technology Plan in the areas of assessment, infrastructure, learning, productivity, and teaching, as well as the E-rate application guidelines. The assessment process for our technology plan began with a comprehensive needs assessment utilizing teacher and student surveys, interviews, classroom observations, inventories, and the Texas Teacher Star Chart. And the Texas Campus Star Chart was conducted to analyze the current status of technology in the district and determine future needs. We also analyzed items such as infrastructure, hardware, software, programs, courses, student achievement, technology resources, staff development, and technical support. As far as district technology is concerned, we have a direct connection to the internet via a 10 megabit to Educational Service Center, or Region 6. We also have wireless LAN connection inside the campus buildings and wireless WAN connecting 6 portable buildings to the network. Website server is hosted by ThinkEd, which provides district information to the community. We also have written policies in place on acceptable use of the internet, internet safety, and cyberbullying, as well as network management. We also have 3 distance learning systems available for students, staff, and community members. And parents have secured electronic access to student information, including grades and attendance, through the parent portal. At the high school campus, we have Ethernet to desktop connected computers with file server access for student and teacher files using individual accounts. We also have wireless LAN connection for teacher laptops and student devices. We have networked online card catalog, internet access, and automated checkout in the library. We have a minimum of 2 network drops in every classroom, mounted computer projectors in every classroom, 3 networked computer labs, 2 of which have full-time teaching assistants. We also have 1 wireless networked mobile lab with 30 laptops total available for checkout. Finally, the high school has 175 Chromebooks and 20 HP Elite books for exclusive student use. On the elementary campus, we have a minimum of 4 network drops in every classroom. There are mounted projectors in most classrooms. 2 networked computer labs are staffed with full-time teaching assistants. There's a wireless laptop cart in each grade level in 3 through 6. There's a wireless LAN connection for teacher laptops and student devices. We have networked online card catalog and internet access in the library, and an Ethernet to desktop connected computers with file server access for teacher and student files using individual accounts as well. An inventory of our student-to-computer ratio shows that we have 215 students in the high school campus with 293 computers. So we are actually beyond one-to-one at the high school. Granted, some of those are a bit antiquated or stationary. Then on the elementary campus, there are 266 students with 185 newer model computers with a ratio of approximately 2-to-1. So for the grand total, our district has 481 students, and we're just shy of that with 478 computers. So we are so close to being 1-to-1, but we are just a few away as it stands right now. We've also taken a look at some of the needs that we've identified, and the first one is professional development to further implement technology in all subject area TEKS. We also want to provide a laptop or internet-ready device for every student in grades K through 12 to be used in classroom instruction. We're so close, we're almost there, but especially the primary grades are really lacking compared to our high school students. We also have a need for anytime, anywhere learning through a variety of delivery systems. We're looking at various learning management systems to implement in the future to help our students have that 24/7 access to learning. We also want to establish a replacement cycle created by the district, and we have a need for additional internet bandwidth and Wi-Fi access to accommodate network growth. And this need is so important because as more and more of our students are bringing their own devices and we're issuing more devices to them, our wireless access points have been upgraded, but we need more bandwidth coming to them. So let's take a look at our first goal to meet some of these needs. And it is in the realm of teaching and learning. We want to integrate technology into the curriculum as a tool used to improve academic achievement for all students while reaching technological proficiency. Some objectives that we've outlined for this goal are that technology will be integrated into the core curriculum. Some strategies for this will be to provide ongoing professional development that focuses on integrating technology. We want to conduct campus improvement meetings which ensure technology integration is included. We want to continue to increase the amount of emerging technologies and hardware on each campus. And we'll develop a student technology advancement team to provide peer and educator support and student technology growth. We also have another objective to improve academic achievement. Some strategies for this objective are to use programs such as Eduphoria and C-Scope for benchmarking and needs assessments, and to increase student performance on STAR and TAKS testing. We also want to utilize curriculum and learning management platforms to improve student achievement. We'll implement grade-level technology benchmarks by grade 8 to show all technology application TEKS have been met. We'll continue our distance learning programs and increase opportunities to include concurrent credit for high school juniors and seniors, virtual field trips for all students, staff development, and community involvement for the purpose of improving adult literacy. And this is a big one this next year because our teachers will no longer have to leave the district and get a sub to go to professional development. Our service center is offering, through distance learning, all of the workshops that are provided on site. So this will really save our district a lot of expense and provide a lot of benefit for our teachers and students. And finally, we will provide virtual school for credit recovery and offer additional higher level courses through that virtual school. Our second goal is for educator preparation and development, and we have set the goal that all staff will demonstrate technological proficiency in the SBEC technology standards and effectively integrate technology into the curriculum. And our objective here is for 100% of professional staff to meet those SBEC standards. And some strategies for that will include staff development, and we will evaluate our staff on the SBEC standards. We will provide laptops for educators to utilize 24/7 delivery of professional development opportunities and classroom planning. We will investigate possible incentives such as funding for reaching the SBEC competencies or additional technology equipment for teachers that follow those standards. We can host study sessions on each campus prior to teacher technology competency tests, and we will budget to send educators from each campus to a statewide technology professional development opportunity annually. Our third goal that we have in this technology plan is for administration and support services. We want to improve communication and technology support services here in Latexo. And so our objectives with this goal are to increase communication between the school and the community. Some strategies for that include posting our board meeting agendas on our website, that all of our educators will create and maintain their websites that are linked to our school website. We're going to utilize Google Apps for Education for document sharing and collaboration. We are going to conduct monthly administration meetings to plan technology and funding needs. We provide parent access to student information using Parent Portal, and we conduct regular parent and staff meetings to discuss technology plans and concerns. Another objective for this goal is to plan for the future with district and campus level technology plans and leadership. And some strategies for that will be to create campus level technology plans that are board approved, evaluated, and updated regularly. We'll explore options available to the district to utilize students to assist our technology director. Our technology committee will conduct meetings consisted of educators, administrators, parents, and community members. And internet safety practices will be integrated into all grade levels. Our fourth and final goal is for the infrastructure of technology. We want to provide safe access to concurrent and emergent technologies for all staff and students. Our objectives are to ensure safe and direct network and internet access for every computer in the district. Some strategies for this will be to educate our students about internet safety and cyberbullying through the Common Sense Media E-Rate Toolkit and other curriculum resources such as NetSmarts. And we're going to enforce the policy that includes measures to block or filter content for both minors and adults on and off campus for district-owned devices. We use Lightspeed as our content filter, and we have it going through a proxy, so even when the students take their Chromebooks home, they are still receiving the student internet filter policy. It's just like they're at school. We are also going to maintain efficient network connectivity of all classrooms to the LAN. Our final objective of this goal is to purchase and maintain technology equipment. Our main strategy here is to provide a device for every student, and as I mentioned earlier, we are just about there. By the end of next year, we should have a full one-to-one district. So our final aspect of this technology plan is the budget. You can see that we have $12,000 set aside out of local funds for staff development. We have $50,470 set aside for telecommunications and internet access. This gets split between E-Rate and our local funds. E-Rate picks up $36,277.50, and locally we pay for $12,192.50 of our internet access. For materials and supplies, we spend $28,536 out of local funds. For equipment, we spend $61,520. $13,000 of that comes out of our IMA, which is the instructional materials allotment, and the rest is picked up by our local funds. Maintenance is $14,000 locally. Miscellaneous expenses is $6,000 locally, for a grand total of $175,526. The video permissions for this presentation are attribution, non-commercial, no derivs, which means that you can download this work and share it with others as long as you give me credit and you don't change it in any way. Finally, this is my list of references. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.